my video, and today what we are doing is making slime. So I'm gonna go get the ingredients. Okay, so what you would be needing is 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Those three, you don't have to use it, but I'm using it, and I'm gonna use this washcloth, but it's not gonna make like a big mess. And I'm not making the slime in my bathroom. I have a table and a chair that I use. Well, this is my first slime video, so yeah. And all the rest of my videos has been in my room, but today it is changing because I'm getting older, and yeah. So this is kind of messy right now. Okay, so I'm using Suave Kids 3-in-1. I'll be back. Yeah, so I'm using this. Sorry about that. I had to pause the video because my camera died. And then something to mix in. And something to mix it with. And I'm using a spoon. So let's get on to the video. Alright, so first I gotta get in the room, so sorry again. One last ingredient. It's over here. Salt. I'm using salt. You can use sugars, but I'm drinking, don't use sugar. Use salt. This is the only thing would work. Or put it in the freezer, whatever. And I'm gonna make another video today with Crest White and Colgate toothpaste and sugar. Literally, sugar. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. And I have a Musical.ly, you can go follow that. It is Slay_Mariah237. So, yeah, and I'm gonna make this slime. So I gotta put it in a nice. So, what you would be, can you see it? Alright. So, get the stuff that you need. So, spoon that, and then the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So I'm totally don't need to use anything else. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take my spoon out of the bowl. Take it out of the bowl. This is the faster way. So I'm gonna go like this and fast. Take it out like this. I'm really not gonna try. I'm not even about to even try. Honestly. Oh, it's getting on my hands. Alright, I'm just gonna put that right there. Your hands get a little bit dirty. And take your stuff. Right there. Put in. Take your salt and pour it in there. I'm gonna do it, and then I'm just pouring, doing that 20 times, and then, no, 19 times, actually no, 11 times, then you're gonna mix. So let me clean this out. Alright. It's gonna be easier for me. Alright, so put the salt in, then mix it up. So I'm mixing it right now. I'm going to keep on mixing until it doesn't, like it's not sticky anymore, or it doesn't like show up on your hands anymore, something like that. Alright. So you want to mix until it doesn't stick onto the bowl anymore. That's when you're gonna stop mixing. Don't add more salt than 11, because if you do, it would like stick onto your fingers and it wouldn't work. So just keep on mixing until it doesn't stick onto the bowl anymore. Right? Sorry, my throat is itching a lot. Just keep on mixing it up. And I'm going to delete all the music videos, and well, not the music videos. I'm going to delete all the videos that you guys have sung. So yeah, and then only make slime videos, or make some musically videos. Depends. So yeah, make sure it would stay in the bowl, because it can't like stay out of the bowl, because it wouldn't turn out. So if it starts to like break out, like it starts to like break it out, that's alright, because it would just automatically stick together back to it was. So it's done. Mine is done. Yeah, mine's done. So you can see that the consistency. It worked. So don't go like this, because it's gonna like get out. So now what you need to do is just like, you don't take it, well you can take it out of the bowl, but just make sure it doesn't get on carpet, glass, because it would like leave a little mark on there, and then it wouldn't come off. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And then, okay, so I'm making videos for every day, 3 days, three videos each day. So this is my first video. So yeah, and I have another video that I can show you. I'm gonna make today. Well, you can see it, but who cares? So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or else I'm gonna eat your fries. Right? So now I'm going to take this and put it like underneath. Then I'm going to. So bye guys. Okay, again. Bye guys.